All right, now the fix I made here was wrong. There's the code I added, and that's what it should have been. The gifts minus equal 1 here if gifts less than 1,000. So the way I wrote it now, you start with 2 gifts, you try to take a gift, you take it down to 1. This is not greater than 1,000, so you don't get anything. The reentrancy hits it again, it goes down to 0, you don't get anywhere. So this should have been if gifts less than 1,000. Then you subtract 1 if the gifts is greater than or equal to 0, would be another more transparent way to write this, then it will send you 1. All right, so that should work. Let's compile this. All right, and make it big again. All right, and now go to my deployer, and I'm going to clean my blockchain, go to Berlin and back to London, and that should restore all the balances back to 100 and nuke all my previously deployed contracts. Okay, now I'm going to deploy the rewards contract, and it works. Now I copy the address of the rewards contract, and I deploy the attacker contract at that address, and that works. All right, now I have to fund the contract. So I'll just do what I've been doing. I'll put 20 ether into it. And that works. And so now the balance is 20 ether. Now I'm going to allow 2 gifts. And so the balance is still 20 and the gifts is 2. So now people could take up to 2 gifts. And now if the attacker tries to take a lot of gifts, the transaction succeeds and still seem to end up with 0, which troubles me. The gifts fall to 1. Huh. Well, I thought I had this thing fixed, but somehow it is still broken. Well, I can throw away this video. And I guess I will. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Uint amount equals 1 ether, gifts minus equal 1. If gifts less than 1,000, then do this. Maybe I just don't understand. Perform the attack and view the logs. Maybe it's okay that you don't get any. It just, I think it fails and you see various things. And maybe you get the flag anyway. Anyway, that's the correct fix. You certainly don't get to steal the ether. Let's take a look at the balance. Yeah, the balance up here is still 20. So when you tried to steal a bunch with reentrance, you didn't get any at all. I thought you would still get 1, but anyway, you didn't. So it did stop the attack. And I think there's another fix later. The details of exactly how these fixes fix it, I'm not getting 100% right here. Anyway, that's the patch, such as it is, to the previous video.